Jason Troy here, Art of War, Attack the Enemy from Within. All right, so spatial battles. All right, so my ancestors colonized this planet 700,000 years ago. Let's just say that, right? Because it took time to build all the pyramids. It took time to build huge civilizations. It took time to harness the energy that was produced by this planet, right? Not only that, but I mean, like, we had a small armada, right? We also had enemies in space, right? That enemy came and attacked my ancestors, and our victory was our defeat, right? For they were numerous, but, you know, my people were brave and fucking were vicious warriors, man. Like, we'll fucking end you all, right? And that's what my ancestors did, right? So they ended this other fucking spatial fucking species, right? That were invading us. That's why we're not fully taken over today. But in retrospect of the enemy strategy, right, they left a small contingency left behind, right, to clone people out of us, right, because they had to try fucking the ground battle now, right? They had a planet full of us. They knew that we still had the technological stuff in our head. They knew that we still had the knowledge of space. They knew that we still had our ancestral knowledge of who we are and what we're capable of, right? And that's exactly what the fuck they're scared of, right? The capacities that we had, right? On all the existence of living that we could live on, okay? And the places that we could exist and still come back from and still travel to and fro from those places, right? So they started the ground battle, which is happening now, today, right? You know, where do white people and black people come from? You know, where do their genetics come from? Why is it that every time that scientists do our DNA and our genetics, right, they fucking get killed or they have to shut up about it, right? Why is it that we have natives have 15 more fucking DNA strands or whatever the fuck that is? We got like 9 more. We got a lot more than fucking everybody else on this planet. Why is that, right? Why are we hairless? Why are my ancestors hairless and white ancestors and black ancestors are fucking apes? They got hair all over their fucking bodies and their fucking faces, man, right? You know, like, that's pretty fucking ape-like, right? It's almost as if they spliced ape DNA with our real human DNA and made white people and black people, right? But they made black people first and made white people after, right? So in that, my ancestors call ourselves the star people and the real people, right? And this is only part 1. So there's gonna be more parts to this. This is fucking ancient history.